Hello my little ones. Good morning. So are you ready for today's session? Yes? Very good. Now we will revise the concept of before numbers through an activity and then we will write in the notebook. So let's start the activity. Tina and Raju were ready to go to their friend's house. When they reached his society, they saw so many houses and each house has a number written on it. Children, your flat or house must be having a particular number. Now their friend's house number was 11. So they started searching. They went near the first house and saw the number. It was written number 7. It was not their friend's house. Now Raju asked Tina, do you know what comes before number 7? Tina said, yes, 6. Now see the magic, children. Yes, it's number 6. So clap for Tina. In this way, they moved ahead to other house and saw the number. It was written number 23. Now, Tina asked Raju, do you know what comes before 23? Raju said, yes, it's 22. Now let's see the magic. Yes, Raju was also right. So clap for Raju. Now they moved towards the next house and the number was 2020. Then Raju asked Tina, what comes before 20? So Tina answered 19. Let's see whether Tina is right or wrong. Yes, right. So clap for Tina. Now they move towards next house and the number written on the house was 3939. Now Tina asked Raju, what comes before 39? Raju answered 38. Let's check. Yes, Raju was right. Clap for Raju. Now they moved towards the house number 9 and Raju asked Tina, what comes before 9? Tina answered 8. Let's check. Yes, Tina was right. So clap for Tina. Now they came towards the house number 46. Now Tina asked Raju, what comes before 46? Raju answered 45. Let's see. Yes, Raju gave the right answer. So clap for him. Very good. So clap for him. Very good. Finally, they came to house number 11, which was their friend's house. Now, Raju asked Tina, what comes before 11? Tina answered 10. So let's check. Yes, Tina was right. So clap for Tina. They both enjoyed a lot at their friend's house. I hope you too enjoyed this activity. Today again we are going to write before numbers. So first we will write the date. 2020 dot 10 dot 2020. Now on the top, write down capital B E F O R E. Before, leave one finger space and write down capital N U M B E R S before numbers. Now first put two dots. Below these two dots, make a dash on two boxes, dot, and write down 3, 7, 37. Again put two dots, dash on two boxes, dot, 1, 0, 10. Now again put two dots, make a dash on two boxes, dot, and now we are going to write a single number. So put one more small dot and write down number 4. Again two dots, below these two dots, make a dash on two boxes, dot, and write down 2, 1, 21. Now again put two dots and make a dash on two boxes, dot, and write down 4, 8, 48. Put two dots, dash on two boxes, dot. Now again we are going to write single number. So put one more dot and write down 7. Dots, dash on two boxes. Again put a single dot and write down 4, 2, 42. Again put two dots, dash on two boxes, dot, and write down 1, 5, 15. Now we will write the answers. So what comes before 3, 7, 37? Yes, 3, 6, 36. Next number is 1, 0, 10. So what comes before 10? 9. And 9 is a single number. So first we will put a dot and then we will write 9 over here. Now which number is this? 4. And what comes before 4? 3. Where to write 3? Yes, first we have to put a dot and then 3 over here. 2, 1, 21. What comes before 21? Yes, 2, 0, 20. 4, 8, 48. What comes before 48? Yes, 47. 4, 7, 47. Which number is this? 7. And what comes before 7? 6. And 6 is a single number. So first we will put a dot and then write 6 over here. 4, 2, 42. What comes before 42? Yes, 41. 4, 1, 41. 1, 5, 15. What comes before 15? 14. 1, 4, 14. Hope you all enjoyed today's session. Bye.